Okay, so we're gonna start our walk cycle, animating first the route. So select the route, be sure that you're in your pose mode. The keyframes that will be here, the keyframes that we're going to see for the route will be in Action Editor. So let's start with hitting I, and I'm going to choose location and rotation because we're going to later on also animate rotation. So location, and then if I check my little note, then I have to go into frame 31 and make one step. Let's make I believe 1 cube, 1 unit will be good enough. So I hit again I, location, rotation, and that's that. Now again, let's go back. Always be sure that we're starting from frame 1. And the next thing we're going to do is to check which leg we should start the movement. And that, based on my little note, is the right leg. So let's find right leg. And right now he is standing, I mean she is standing, but somewhere like that would indicate that this leg should move. So I'm going to hit I, and for the I keys I will just set the location. My I key keyframes will be shown here in the IPO window. Of course, the foot right should also change, probably something like that. And I location. In frame 31, my right leg, so let's go back to the right leg, should make that landing. Like that. Oops. So something like that. And hit I, location. Okay. Of course, somewhere in between, and that based on our little note is a frame 16, the leg should be out and in the air, and something like that. Okay, and like that. Now let's check the left leg. The left leg is standing right now on the frame 31. Let's do first 31 because that's half of the cycle. That leg is swinging by and coming somewhere like that, ready to make a step. So I'm going to hit I, location. And of course, let's go back and let's check the foot. Foot L, I'm going to hit I, location, come to the frame 31 and move it. So it's something like that. And I, location. Now let's check what is in frame 16, what happens there. Frame 16, oops, something happened with the right leg. What happened with the right leg? Right leg should be much further there, almost coming to the final position. So I, location, and my left leg should stand. So let's see. Okay, so we have to key on my left leg, frame 1, and the next one 31, and let's go in between 16. It should still go back where it was originally, and we can fix that here. So I'm going to do I, location. Okay, let's check again, and it does slide. So the Y position of the frame 1 and the Y position of 16 for left leg should be same. So let's go back to the Y and location Y, and let's check. And they're not, right? So hit K, hit tab, right click, grab, and just move it in the Y direction. So this one, and shift right click this one, SY0, enter. That should be flat. So, okay. Now, of course, it's impossible right now, and that's what we're going to solve with our root, our pose, because if you remember our little note on frame 16, right, our skeleton should go a little bit down, and let's hit I, location, rotation. Now we have hop and hop, okay, hop and hop, and of course we should do the left leg and so on. And next thing we're going to do is to animate the eye keys for hands and clean up a little bit the legs and move on to the next half of the cycle when the left leg will go forward.